Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on Ethereum monthly time frame, I still think this is very likely a 1, a 2, a 3. Well, I think we most recently had a wave 4. Does seem like the wave 4 potentially is over, and if that is the case, then it probably will at least go back up to these previous highs to make a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely impulsive down wave A, corrective up wave B, impulsive down wave C. I was originally thinking that it was going to go down to the 61.8, but it looks like we may have an end of a trend trying to form. And if it is the end of a trend, that means the trend for the wave C is over, which means that the wave 4 is most likely over also, and most likely we're already in that wave 5. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up is very, very impulsive, which means it's obviously a trend. Looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin already closed way above the 78%, which means that this is probably the end of a trend also, just like Bitcoin most likely is too. So if that's the case, then that means we're probably in a wave 1 of wave 5. Probably sometime around these highs right here, or make a pullback like a wave 2 of wave 5, and then probably go up for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave 5. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, even though this hasn't really technically closed above the 78% because of correlated pairs, I think the trend is over. Now maybe it is due for a pullback, but if it is, that's actually great news for us because that will give us another opportunity to go long again at the end of the pullback, especially if it's a three-way pullback. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now I'm definitely looking for longs. If it breaks structure to the downside, then I would still primarily be looking for longs. But if you are a short time frame trader, you maybe could scalp some short opportunities once you have a break of structure to the downside. But no break of structure tells me that I'm definitely still looking for longs. If the series of higher highs, higher lows continues, then at the end of every single pullback I see, I will definitely enter long again for the continuation of the uptrend. The trend is definitely your friend, and all the higher time frames are telling me that I should be looking for longs now, especially the daily and 4 hour time frame, because it looks like the end of a wave 4. Looks like we're now in a wave 5, and if that's the case, we definitely want to continue to look for longs on at the end of every pullback we see, especially three-wave ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.